Those who laugh often never grow old. It is a medicine for everything. For depression, anxiety, when things ain't going right, when you're angry and you just you just laugh. When like nothing is going your way, everything is like coming out of left field, everybody's trying you, the world is throwing you a million challenges, and you just like they can't stop me. God got his hands on you. The devil is trying everything in his power. Negativity is out there. The moment you turn off the light, the darkness is right there. And you just like, do you know who I am? I'm one of God's greatest angels, greatest warriors. I'm built for this. So continue to laugh. It is healthy in every circumstance that you're going to go through. Find a reason to laugh because you are alive to laugh. And if you really look around, those who laughed a lot never really age.